Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic scrolling effect using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot, and first of all, I'm going to create new project. I'm going to create video collage using 3 videos. Add the blank clip first, and I'm going to remove the watermark. Wait. Okay, the watermark has been removed, and let me extend the duration, and I'm going to go to the PIP, and I'm going to use video from the InShot material. I'm going to use this video, and we can adjust the position, and PIP again. For the second video, I'm going to add this video. Okay, and I'm going to add the last video. I'm going to use this video, for example. Okay, and just keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, done guys, and I'm going to cut the video. Okay, and I'm going to export it. Alright, now the video is being exported. Okay, done, and I'm going to create a new project. Select video, select new, and I'm going to import the video we have just exported, and we can add another video collage. I have already created another video collage and I'm going to use it. Okay, before it, I'm going to add keyframe to this video. Add keyframe to the beginning and also the end part, and you're going to make it move. You're going to move it up like this and tap on PIP, and you're going to add another video collage. I'm going to use this video. Click on this icon to fit the screen, add keyframe, and you're going to move it down like this until it's out of frame, and it will create something like this. Wait. Oops, no. Okay, just move it like this. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's how we can create cinematic scrolling effect on InShot video editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.